Hey everyone, check out our first look over on temp-tations.com. Beautiful spring day, and what a great way to usher in spring with our beautiful spring wreath. So we start with a beautiful gold matte finish detail. Actually, why don't I show you right down on here all of the details that you can see here. So we have that gorgeous matte gold ring that runs all the way around. You have a little loop here to hang it. And then look at the gorgeous multicolor rosettes, that gorgeous hot pink, that beautiful marigold yellow, and that gorgeous seafoam teal. Look at our beautiful sprigs, our greenery that adorns those flowers. And then tucked in the inside is that sweet, adorable miniature bird's nest where we put speckled eggs inside there in your teal, your marigold, and your pink, tying the entire wreath together. Whether this is something you want to put on your door, maybe it's something you want to accent on your lamps or anywhere around the home. You can even use it as a centerpiece, a ring on your table, and maybe tuck some flameless candles inside here. It is just the perfect addition to any spring decor. It's lightweight, it's versatile, and honestly, it just makes me happy. Head on over to temp-tations.com, check it out, under $20, and welcome in spring.